But I was just thinking about this when I was like a teenager, when I was like 15, 16, and I was like, going around town on my own and stuff. I would get asked all the time, like, what I was, even when I was in college, like when I was 18, right? I'd still get asked, like, why I wasn't in school and stuff, and I'd be like, well, I only have classes on Tuesdays and Thursdays, thank you very much. So at least I have aged like 10 years, and I no longer look like a 10-year-old wandering on the streets like an orphan. Now I'm just a college-age drifter. I'm here at the University of Arkansas Medical Center, where I am volunteering as a translator, and right now I got something that's like for a proposal for healthy snacks and stuff. And I've been working on my own Marshallese stuff in the magazine, and oh my gosh, I spent like 3 or 4 hours today double checking every single word that I had already written in Marshallese and realizing that I have to relearn how to spell. Yep. That's the whole point in the magazine. So that means I go through the dictionary and double check like every single thing, because there are different spellings for things. There are little marks under like all these letters and words that, I'm so used to using and everything, but not spelled that way, right? But it's important to use the Marshallese alphabet the way it's supposed to be used. So